Hi guys, welcome back to Gopi's Art Gallery, and today I will talk about my small business of these handmade coaster. I make this coaster all from the scratch, from the very beginning of the wood and the coloring, everything that I do everything all by myself without anyone's help, and this business is really small. So, I make this matching coaster kind of set. You can either buy two of these, or one piece, or the whole set, and I'll show you this set at the end of the video. So let's see how we make this coaster step by step, from the wood and the painting, the prepping, everything. And of course, these coasters are way too cheap, only 100 rupees each. And if you buy a bulk or dozens of it, you will get lots of discount, I swear by. So let's jump right into the video. So as you can see, right now I'm prepping the wood. As you know, I am a really big fan of Febicrel's acrylic colors rather than Camel's acrylic color, because Febicrels are a little bit of watery, so I can manipulate the color and mix up really smoothly, and it glides like butter or on any kind of surface. Was it metal, was it wood, doesn't matter, even on canvas. But to be honest, tip, when you're working on a canvas, you need to be a little bit of careful with Febicrel's acrylic color, because it's a little bit of watery texture. But for the wood, you don't have to even think about it. Once you have put the colors on, you just aside the piece that you have finished to air dry, and they will just stay like that. They will not budge. Okay, but when you're using it on the canvas, because you are using it like straight, there is a little bit of dripping maybe occur, but never happened to me, so I don't know about that. I love Fevicryl because their consistency and the texture and the way they look after drying out. Oh my god, I just love it. I don't have to do a back and forth 100 times with the brush because the color is not showing or it's patchy. Fevicryls are great. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Fevicryl or anything, but I really do like to get a sponsorship from them because I love them and I purchased so many of their acrylics, like the tubes one, the bottle one, the small, the big, the 500 ml. Oh my god, I have purchased and emptied so many of them, and I've also redecorated their bottles. So if you guys want to show one of those videos, me redecorating their empty bottles, or in general any kind of empty paint bottle, let me know down in the comment. I will do a video. Okay, so now you enjoy the detailed work and I'm taking my leave. So guys, here we are at the end of the video. I'll show you the set I have created. These are the total 6. You can buy this one with this one. These two are forest themed, and these turtle with the fish for the water theme, and 2 of the human figures for the human theme. You can buy individually or buy total. It's up to you, or you can buy mix and match, or you can buy singles. For the price, it will fluctuate a little bit. If you buy single, it will cost around 100 to 150 rupees without shipping charges, of course. And if you buy it in a set, I'll give you a discount of 10% or a little bit more. I don't know. Let's see. If you like this, please let me know in the comment. And if you want to purchase it, of course, go to my Instagram and message me if you have any query about it. You can also message me on the Instagram. I'll link everything down below. So guys, here we are at the end of the video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Tell your friends to tell their families and friends to visit my channel. And if you want any of this coaster to buy or to gift someone, just DM me on my Instagram, or my email address was also given down below. So please let me know if you want to know about the price, or if you had any other queries. I'm always here. Do not hesitate. And for now, bye bye.